BRS features and steps in the preparation. Features of a BRS, Bank Reconciliation Statement. A BRS or Bank Reconciliation Statement is a statement and not a ledger. Hence, it is not prepared on the principles of double entry system. It is not a part of books of accounts. It is prepared periodically like weekly, monthly, quarterly, etc. depending upon the volume of bank transactions. It is prepared only in the case when there is a disagreement between the bank balance as per the cash book and balance as per passbook. It starts with a given balance of any book and ends with balance of other book. It is not legally compulsory to prepare bank reconciliation statement. Steps involved in the preparation of a BRS. The steps involved in preparing a bank reconciliation statement are given below. When the bookkeeper receives the bank statement, he has to first check all the entries in the cash book for that period against the bank statement. All items appearing in both the cash book and the bank statement will be ticked or check-marked. For items that are not ticked, the bookkeeper needs to know the nature and detail of each item. The bookkeeper needs to write up the cash book by entering those items that are on the bank statement but not in the cash book. The cash book is then balanced to get the adjusted cash book balance. After the above steps are completed, the accountant or bookkeeper is ready to prepare BRS. The bookkeeper can start with balance as per adjusted cash book or balance as per bank statement.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.